This is the Organic Herb Garden Kit Indoor. It's a certified USDA and made in the US with the herbs. And so it just comes in this cute little box. So it's really great if you're giving it as a gift or just starting it yourself. And it's culinary herbs. So that is basil, cilantro, parsley, sage, and thyme. And then you can see the USDA organic on there, and it's by Spade and Fork. And and then the back of it, as you can see here, they say the herbs again, and then they talk about like the different pots that you need, and then the listed soil discs and the tubes, and then the custom wood plant markers that are inside of it. So they actually have all of these things inside of it. They have the pots, the discs, the tubes, the wood, plant markers, and then an instruction as well as the seeds for it. And then it also has like this cute little like saying on it about just like growing stuff and family business and everything. And it is in Oregon, so if you live close to there, that's an extra bonus.